Hi, good morning, friends. On 5th February 2021, for the first time in the history, the highest road construction record was achieved by the National Highways Authority of India, which amounts to 30 km per day. As per government plans, in the next 5 years, India will have roads like the United States and the other European nations. This is certainly a remarkable achievement. However, on the other hand, the sad news is the number of road accidents, which on many occasions can't be justified. We all know that night riding is dangerous in both ways. Firstly, due to lack of visibility. Secondly, due to the movement of stray or wild animals on the road. On 29th November 2020, a rider popularly known as Mad Pirates on YouTube died as had hit a cow while riding a Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. On 10 January 2021, a famous rider from Calcutta, Gaurav Datta, collided with a truck while riding in the night and died. Just 5 days later, India's most famous adventure rider, King Richard Srinivasan, lost his life as collided with a camel while riding in the night. If we recall the Air India flight crash, which happened in the year 2010 at the Mangalore Tabletop Airport, it was brought out that the captain failed to listen to his co-pilot even when he made 3 calls asking him to go around. In this accident, 158 people died, including both the pilots. As per the aircraft accident investigation findings, captain was making a landing after having slept for a prolonged period, which could have led to sleep inertia. As a result of a relatively short period between his awakening and the aircraft landing approach, it possibly led to impaired judgment. It was also brought out that since the flight, which operated in the night from Dubai at 2:30 hours and made an approach at 5:30 am, was performed in the window of circadian low, or the period where individual alertness and performance are degraded. That might have also added to impaired judgmental error from the pilot. In the year 2012, famous TV personality Jaspal Singh Bhatti's car collided with a tree along the highway while he was on his way to Jalandhar in the night at 3 am. Motorcycling is one such activity where accidents can happen with anyone, but we can certainly avoid accidents which relate to darkness or loss of visibility. We all know that there are very specific times where our alertness level goes down as per the body functions. One such period is after dinner, when the body already feels lethargic, and if doing a long ride, the whole thing gets much more complex. Sleepiness after eating is a response of the body to chemical changes during the digestion process, which also depends on the type of food we consume. The pressure of reaching the hotel or destination, apart from busy traffic, also adds to the risk factor. Riding in cold temperatures affects our ability to stay focused on the road and reduces the body's reaction time. In rainy season, even if we remove the visor, power glasses gets flooded with dirty water vapors which are created by other moving vehicles. visor fogging is a serious issue. Those wearing power glasses or tinted glasses have reduced vision because of oncoming vehicle headlight glare and glasses fogging in winter. Night changes the whole scenario as the road visibility is reduced drastically. Unlike cars, motorcycle light beam is thinner, so the sight vision is compromised. During such a condition, a sudden entry of any animal can cause an accident. Similar accident also happened with famous YouTuber Deepak Gupta while on the way back from Gujarat just 4 days back. During the accident, he had a broken wrist and badly damaged Kawasaki Z900. King Richard Srinivasan was an expert rider who had ridden over 2 lakh kilometers while riding to 37 countries. Because of his huge experience of riding on various types of road and conditions, he also generally used to lead his biking group whenever faced with threat, including during the nights. King Richard was a cautious and an expert bike rider. Even then, the experience could not save a life. Dark color or black skinned animals are difficult to be seen during the night. Animals like dog, cow, buffalo, monkey, blue bull, deer, fox, or camel are most commonly seen animals while traveling across various cities in India. For all motorcyclists and adventure riders, probably riding with the biggest light or the sun can be the safest way to continue with this beautiful journey of life. During the day, even emergency services are easy to reach. Unlike the remote locations in night, same is also advised by Deepak Gupta after his serious road accident. In year 2018, 5,902 accidents involved vehicle hitting animals, which killed 2,267 people, apart from leaving 4,917 injured. The second aspect of the road accident relates to the loss of most valuable wildlife, which must not be ignored, apart from death of stray animals. Many times, even the dead animal is not cleared from the road, which can be another source of hazard, especially during the nights. In year 2019, 83 leopards died in train and road accidents, which is the highest in a decade, according to Delhi-based Wildlife Protection Society of India. While 73 leopards were killed in road accidents, 10 were run over by trains. Leopard deaths due to train and road accidents have seen a 278% surge between 2010, when 22 deaths were reported, and 2019. Looking at these alarming figures, every driver and rider need to rethink what is more essential: ours and animal safety, or the adventures of night travel. Jai Hind and ride safe.